Now, as promised, here's my review of the HP Spectre x360 15 2020 edition. Now, this unit was purchased from HP USA, and I'm excited to share my thoughts on this unit. Here are the specs. The CPU is an Intel Core i7-10510U processor, 16GB of RAM, 15.6-inch 4K AMOLED display with 400 nits, NVIDIA MX 330 discrete graphics with 2GB of RAM, 512GB of NVMe SSD without any Optane, Windows Hello, fingerprint reader, and Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5, and according to HP, this is capable of gigabit file transfers. This thing is just gorgeous. HP sells the Spectre in two colors. This one is called Nightfall Black, which is really more grayish brown than black, and another color called Poseidon Blue. Now, HP took inspiration from jewelry and calls this its gem cut design. The biggest change from last year's model is the size. By reducing the display's bezels, HP was able to trim 1 inch from the height of the display, and that made the entire device a lot smaller. This is a 15.6-inch laptop packed into a 14-inch form factor. It weighs 4.24 pounds, which weighs a lot lighter than last year's model, weighing at 4.8 pounds. On the left side, we have the power button in the corner, followed by the power port, an HDMI port, heat vents, and an audio combo jack. The right side, there's a micro SD slot, heat vents, a webcam kill switch, a legacy USB port, a USB-C, and a Thunderbolt port. At the bottom side, you have your vents and speakers at both sides. You have vents here in the middle and rubber strips. If you want to upgrade the SSD, you can do so, but you will have to remove the rubber strips to unscrew the cover. Unfortunately, the RAM is not upgradable, so make sure to consider that when you decide to purchase. Sometimes I can hear the fans kick in, but definitely not to the point of being annoying. Since this is a 2-in-1 laptop, it can be used in several modes. There's stand mode, which can be useful when presenting. There's also tent mode, which can be useful in tight situations like when you're watching videos on an airplane or while commuting. Like any other 2-in-1, the Spectre is really too heavy to use as a tablet. But still, it's good to know you can use it as a giant 15.6-inch tablet when you find the need to do so. This is just the first part of my review of the HP Spectre x360 15 2020. If you want to be notified when the next part comes out, please hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. See you next time.